Now, something else we need to check is all these pads here, making sure they're doing the correct thing. So this is our first one. If touching jump pad, which is this one here, then set that velocity to 1.2. That might give us a nice jump here. So to get this, if we haven't done it already, we just need to duplicate one of these, the one that says ground 2, and then change it here. So let's give this a restart and see how everything looks. So we're touching platform 1, which we know absorbs velocity, it acts like normal gravity. And then once we move over here, we have a bit of an issue. So let's go see what that is. So that was our jump pad, our orange one. And it says, if touching jump pad, then set the velocity to positive 1.1, which should be about right. Let's just test that, shall we? So we'll head over again. There we go. Got our bounce working. Getting up enough momentum, and then we can just, whoa, let's try that again. We can jump over here, back to this platform, which is normal gravity, and then we hit our goal. And of course, instead of saying hello, we probably want this to say you win. So what we're going to be doing for the rest of the lesson is you designing your own game, adding a bit more challenge, duplicating these levels here, and making more complex platforms. We'll probably want a danger spot to go to as well. So we've got a helpful jump pad, but we also may want to look at adding areas of setbacks. So we can duplicate that idea by copying this again. Instead of having jump pads as sprites, we could have something like hazard or spikes or endgame, something like that. So let's just make one of those real quick and figure it out. So plus paint, I'm going to use a black and the paintbrush, and it's just going to look like this, some evil spikes. Lovely, quality. Paint bucket as well, let's fill them in black so we know that they're evil. Obviously, I hope you do a lot better job than I do. And we'll call our sprite spikes. Great. We'll go back up to our code and we'll move our spikes. What might be fun? Let's go here to jump pad, dodge the spikes. So it's a fine line. Dodge the spikes, get to the goal. That can be fun. All right, so we want to go to our, just scrolling up with this scroll wheel, our grav ball. We're going to duplicate this again. And we're going to say, yep, that's right, forever touching. If you touch the spikes, then we're not going to set velocity. Oh no. We are going to say, we could do a sound effect, couldn't we? Start sound. We're a ball. So yeah, I guess pop works, doesn't it? Pop the ball. We could also, oh, this could be fun. We could make the ball look like it's exploded. Let's try that, shall we? We're going to duplicate this sprite. It's called GravBall2, so we'll rename that popped. We'll go into it by going up to our sprite tab, just up here, costumes. And a popped ball, let's get the eraser and just take some chunks out of it, huh? Poor popped ball. It's been punctured. All right, boom, popped ball, done. We'll go back to code. We don't want to show this at the moment, so we will hide this popped sprite with this show and hide button just here. And we'll say, where was it? Here we go. When green clicked,